I have here my GPF class that already existed that has all the question banks, and I'm going to help this Thai developer out because she does not have a lot of things in here. So I'm going to pretend that I am the Thai developer, and let's go ahead and create a quiz to pull some questions from its question bank. I will turn editing on, and I'm going to click on add an activity or resource. And of course, I will choose quiz. Wait for it to load. Here we go. Click on quiz, click add. Questions for reading and such. I'm going to click on save and display. And again, I'm going to get to this page where I can edit the quiz. This is where you can add the questions. So you can either click on edit the quiz, or if you're already made the quiz resource, you're going to have to click on the administration block where it says edit quiz. Again, everything that you edit will be in a little wheel sprocket looking icon. So just for reference, anytime you want to edit something, that's what you'll look for. When I get to this page, I'm going to click on add from question bank, of course, because we want the questions from the question bank. And I'm going to, let's pick some random questions here. Let's go into listening. And select a couple. I clicked on add questions, and now I have them. I have a quiz with some questions that I want to move into my development shell. All right. Now, let's go, oops, went back a little too far. Now here is the quiz that I want to move. I'm going to go into my development shell. We're not going to do the moving in this shell or course. I'm going to go into this course, and I'm going to move it in here. We don't have to turn editing on. What you do have to do is you have to go under the administration block again, look for import, and select it. We want to type in, we want to first find the course we're trying to import from. So this is TH3Cs. I'm pretty certain that if I just copy the TH3Cs part in the search field, that I will be able to find it. There it is. I'm going to select it and click on continue. Now we want the activities and resource. We do not want blocks, so I'm going to deselect that. I don't want filters, I don't want calendars, and I definitely do not want groups or groupings. All we need is the resource and its question bank. So leave these two on and then click next. Now it's going to populate the entire GPF. So as you notice, I'm unable to do anything here. I'm actually going to have to wait for a moment, more like a minute or two. So I'm going to pause the video until this thing finally loads where I can deselect everything and just select the things that I want. Okay, it's finally finished. So now I can scroll down here, so it means that my page is active again. I'm going to select none, and what this is going to do is it's going to deselect everything because I only want to move one thing, which is this thing right here, questions for greetings and such that I just made earlier. So it's going to take another few moments for it to realize that we don't want everything. And finally, it's deselected. You did not see this because I paused the video, but a little pop-up came that said that this page has become unresponsive. Would you like to kill it? Never kill it, because that's going to ruin this whole process. So always click on wait. Now that everything has been deselected, I want to select the questions for greetings that I just made. So first I have to select general because it's in this small little shell, right? So before I can click on it, I have to click on general, and then now I can just select what I want. Scroll all the way down and click on next. Okay, so again, scroll all the way down. And this is the final step. Click on Perform Import. And just for reference, when we first started this, it was 2:07 or 2:08. It's now 2:10 p.m. I'm going to pause this video and we'll go ahead and check what time it is after it's done loading. So I just resumed the video. It's still loading, and it's a couple minutes have gone by. As you can see on the top left, the wheel is still spinning, so it is still writing to the database. I highly recommend that you do not do anything on another tab, but you may use a different browser to do something else on Moodle, but I don't suggest that you do something in a different tab or use something on the same browser because it will crash this entire process. So that's all I wanted to add. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video as it continues to write to the database. Hello again, this is just an update. It's now 2:16. The wheels are still spinning, so it's still writing to the database. And oh, hey, look at that. It is completed. Click on Continue, and let's take a look. So there they are. We moved the quiz and the questions that were in the quiz. So let's go look at our quiz here. And let's attempt the quiz. Yep, the questions are there. Let's go ahead and look at our question bank. And it looks like they, well, actually, there's a lot in here, but I'm pretty sure that it got imported. Anyway, that's how you move questions from the question bank from one course to another. Thank you.